how to check if it is cooked. So I will show you guys how. In French, this is what we call a confiture. So basically, this is just a fruits and a sugar. Now, how to know if it is cooked? It's not cold. This spoon. Now, wait a minute. Let's get something. We'll do it in the light, under the light. So that's our jam. What do you think? It is cooked or not cooked? Now, how to check if it is cooked? So we will bring this one there in the light. That we could check correctly. So what we're going to do to check if it is enough, I will show you how I check it. If it creates a line, that would be enough. So the line, it goes like that. So it can create a line, guys. It means you can stop it. But if you want to make it a little bit longer, that would be nice. It is already caramelized, can't you see?